Chewy! What are you doing? Give me 5. Give me 5. Come on. Give me 5. Oh, you're over there. I missed you. Hold on, I zoomed in. There you go. Give me 5. Give me. Give me. You want to go in? Want to go in? Want to go in? Can you give me 5? Give me 5. Give me fuel. Give me 5. Give me that which I desire. Huh. Oh, wait. Well, stop pushing on me, Goopo. Alright. Apparently I can't zoom in anymore. Windy. Warm. Garden. Dog. Blue mule sitting there since June 1st, last ride I took. Sick and tired of being sick and tired, but nothing I can do about it. There's my Jeep. Look at all them stickers. YouTubers galore. Alright, y'all. We appreciate y'all. Miss everybody. Ain't easy being me. We'll see ya.